Good morning, everyone, and my name is Nirbhay, and I'm here to teach you Adobe Illustrator for fashion design. So, in my previous video, I have shown you how to create this wash effect on a denim flat sketch, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you to you how to create this kind of streaks in a flat sketch. As you can see, these white streak lines in the denim pant. I'll be able to teach you how to get this effect on a flat sketch. If you want to download this Illustrator template, you have to go to www.techpackdesign.com/download. You will be directed to this page of techpackdesign.com and just click on this attachment button and you will be able to download this Illustrator file so that you can practice it is very easily. So I'm going to start with the streaks. So first thing you have to do is to take the white stroke. I'm uh, going to take the pen tool and I'm going to remove the black fill, and then I'm going to fill the stroke as white color, or and then I'm going to decide where I need to have a streak. So suppose if I want to have a streak over here, so you just need to draw a white line like this, and then go to effects, blur, Gaussian blur, and then click on preview so that you will be able to see how it is changing. Just move the slider according to the visual you are getting in your system. So I guess this is fine. I'm going to reduce it a little bit and then press OK. If you're not happy, if it is too white, you can either reduce the opacity of this streak, or you can reduce the stroke. Right now the stroke is 1 point. I'm going to go to the stroke. To open the stroke window, you have to go to window and stroke. It's already open. Window and stroke. Yep. So I'm going to select this line and I'm going to reduce the size by zero point 0.5, and you can see the stroke is little better and it is merging with the denim. And if you want to increase the opacity, I'm going to increase little bit higher. Yes. So I guess this is fine. And the next thing you have to do is to add this uh, blur effect in your graphic style so that you will not have to do all these steps again and again. So I'm just going to go to window and graphic style, and then I'm going to click on this new graphic style. So you will see a new box of the same graphic style has been created. So the next thing is I'm going to take the pencil tool. I'm just going to draw a line somewhere and then I'm clicking on this graphic style, and this way you will be able to create your streaks wherever you want to have it in your denim sketch. You can also see that near the pocket area, if you want to have a darker shade of the streak, you can click, you can select pencil tool, have a line next to the white line like this. Click on the graphic style and change the color to the darker shade of your denim pant. So right now it is blue. I'm taking the navy blue color from here and then press OK. So you can see that a darker shade is created over here. It will look like it is raised. I am going to increase the opacity a little bit more, so I am going to select it once again, and then I'm increasing the opacity by 85%, and then uh, I'm going to create a second graphic style for this. So this will be your darker blue graphic style. I am taking the pencil tool again and I'm clicking it here like this. So this way you can show a raised effect in your streaks, fold effect in your streaks. So I'm just going to show it to again on the right side. I'm drawing a line once again like this, and then I'm clicking on this darker one, another line like this, and I'm clicking on this darker shade, and I'll zoom out and show it to you how it is going to look. Yep, if you want to place it like this, I'm placing it like this. So this way you can tell your client wherever you want to have this streak effect on your denim pant, you will be able to explain it in a better way. Even if sometime you have to coordinate with your washing unit and you need to send your flat sketch, so this way you can show it to them where all you want to have this effect. In the next video I am going to show you how to get the accidental effect, the distress effect, uh, on a denim pant. Hope you like this video. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, and also click on the bell button in my video, so that you will be able to get updated with all the new videos whenever I upload. Hope you like, and have a nice day.